It's the two awesome kids, and we're gonna be making Play-Doh. We've already just made it. All you have to do is put like 1/4 of cornstarch and mix flour together, and then take your favorite color. Take your color and shaving cream and mix it into that, and then it'll get hard, and then you have to mix it until it gets hard. So we're just gonna watch us mix it real quick.
So I use mine a different way. We use like cornstarch, and I use cornstarch or flour, and then I mix it all good, and then I add some water, and then I got some Vaseline or lipstick, and you put it in there, and then like oven baked it, and then it turned into this.
We baked it in the oven. This lip goes there.
Sofía, haz un favor para lavar la cara.
No, lip balm. Lip balm. This. Whose fidget spinner is this?
My sister's. Have you ever gotten one?
No.
You've never gotten one.
No.
After all this time we went to the store, you've never got one.
No.
So this is our Play-Doh. If you know you have Play-Doh, you will like have a
Okay, all we did was take Play-Doh. Other way you can make it, you can put cornstarch and
You
flour.
can make slime out of this Play-Doh by like putting some coconut oil, chapstick, lip balm, anything like that's like really soft.
And it makes it really soft because this is not stretchy, so we have to add our lip chapstick.
and it just like breaks.
Yeah, we have to add our chapstick
So
in.
if when you know you have Play-Doh, you will like keep on getting out the bowl and you will like play with it. So we just took it out.
We made
just
modeling clay. It's like butter slime. See, let me show you. Butter slime. So you have to just like spread this out.
Yeah, that's like butter slime.
Yeah, it is kind of, but it's not butter slime. So
Like, do you think that one like that Vaseline will work?
I don't know. You take some.
Maybe
Go get the coconut oil then.
I can't. Cause it's like my mom's like special thing.
Oh, she needs it.
Yeah, it's like for.
Okay, we were just talking for a minute. We're just gonna keep mixing our slime until it gets really
Like soft.
really soft. So we're gonna be right back, you guys. Okay, we're gonna be right back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're gonna put some baby lotion, it's smoother baby skin. You're right there, and it's baby lotion.
So we're just gonna take a little sample, like a little something, not the whole thing, because if we ruin it, it's like bad for
Yeah,
us.
it's gonna be bad. We're not gonna have any other Play-Doh to use. Oops. So we're just gonna take it, mix it.
I think we need more, so let me go ahead and get some more.
It's becoming like a tiny bit of stretchy. If you wanna stretch it, it stretches a little bit. So,
Whatever.
yeah.
Like we try to make it. Like we're called like we like I
At
don't
school,
know.
we're called the Slime Busters.
Like we like get all this stuff so we can like warn you like that you shouldn't buy this brand
Because that brand is really cracked up.
or like something.
Yeah.
So
It actually
we never
makes
show our
it
faces because like we don't.
really, actually makes it really stretchy. So, do you think we should add it or think not?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I wouldn't add it. But if you want us to add it, comment down below, like or subscribe if you want us to have it. Or
Just so we can
fill
show
it. You
you,
want to fill it?
like just to
Fill
make
it.
sure.
It's mixed in. You want to put it in there?
I don't know. Is it like really that stretchy?
Which one? You want that one or fill this one? This one or that one?
I chose a rough one just in case. We're just giving samples and samples.
I don't want mine.
Comment down below what else we
else
should add to our Play-Doh. So like, if you wanted to make slime, like we have been asked, like, should we make this and like all this stuff. We're like the will it happen kids, or whatever we call it.
Or what should we add? Like we're
Yeah.
like all these. We're really
Where's
really
the cat?
to capture what?
What? You lost your homework?
So I added some baby lotion to mine because I think it will really soften up the slime a little bit.
I still have not softened the slime.
So she does not want to soften her slime.
I want to like have like more slime. So like if y'all comment down below what else we should add on our
This
Play-Doh.
is how soft it is. It is kind of stretchy. It's really soft.
Sofía, ¿van a cenar?
Okay.
¿Y ese por qué está en la cama, la de la cable?
¿Cuál carne? ¿Cuál carne?
El cable que está ahí. Desconecte si quiere cargar. Carga, hay dos conexiones aquí en la sala para cargar teléfono.
Alright.
Gotta take it out.
Turn this off. We'll be right back, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you guys, we're back, and I think this is maybe the better slime to play with, because I think it's really soft, and you don't have to be like messing with it a lot to just like do it. So I'm gonna add mine. What? Okay.
Where's my Play-Doh?
I don't want it to sit. I'm gonna sit inside this bowl and turn upside down. Okay, guys, we're gonna be right back. We have to go eat. We'll be right back at 3, 2, 1. So, guys, we're back. We just got finished eating.
And our slime's like really soft.
Yeah, it's
So
like
I have made
it's like
edible. I have made edible.
So, how do you make edible marshmallow slime? That's easy. Just ask
made
in the
it.
comments how do you do it, and I will. If you ask, I will do a shout out, and then I will give you 3 fidget spinners, any color. But nobody follows me, so I won't give it.
Subscribes at you. She's like all this musically girl.
I'm taking a musically follow. So this slime is really complicated because how it moves. You see how it moves really like weird off of it. So you have to keep mixing to where the lotion
It's like gone.
stays on to the slime while you're mixing. You have to mix until your hands get like this, but you have to keep mixing. You cannot stop mixing.
I like at all. Like no. She's like no. I'm gonna keep on going.
You gotta keep mixing until you actually figured out that you have all the lotion has dissolved inside the slime, has made it soft as a baby butt. Like mine is soft as a baby butt.
But she just like made a terrible mess.
Yeah, but I will keep mixing. I will not stop mixing. I will keep mixing until I'm ready.
Sugar babies.
Sugar babies, Adriana.
That's a.
Look at all some glitter.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Who wants glitter?
When we
May!
What are you even doing?
Don't add the silver. I mean the gold.
Why?
Don't. You have silver and gold?
Yeah.
I'm getting gold.
Told you you can't use it.
Flex. So this her, she's doing just messing with her leg. So you just gotta keep mixing your slime. Mix, mix, mix.
I gotta clean this up.
Go this way. So I'm gonna add some of this cream, like get some of the cream,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna keep on mixing it.
So you have to keep mixing. You cannot stop mixing until you actually figure out that you're good. And you
I
know
would
that
use
is all
this
involved. She just wipes her shirt with that. I don't know why, but she's really crazy.
I'm not. It's just that I don't want to keep this as a mess. And sorry if I like.
We can add some color. Can we add a little bit of color?
Is your slime really gonna be like that bad? No, stretch it. Stretch it.
It's like
kind
a
of.
tiny.
50%.
Like if it was 100% stretchy, we would be just fine.
It will like be like.
Add a little bit more. Why don't you do yours?
No. I'm not gonna. No, that's enough. That's enough.
Oh, I didn't add that much. Here, got some
No,
more.
no,
Take some
no.
lunch.
I'm not gonna be using this. I'm throwing this away.
Why?
You know, I'm throwing this
Don't
away.
use my Play-Doh.
It's her fault. Close this. Close this. Close
No,
this.
I will keep it. I will keep it. What are you doing?
No, not this. Keep the thingy. I will keep this.
It's Richie.
Yeah, it's not. See, you have to keep playing with it.
Keep on mixing it.
And we will also, our next video might be making slime at 3 a.m. because we might get up and just.
What's
make
it
slime.
do?
You know, last night we were supposed to make it, but I did not wake up.
I slapped her, put water, and I pulled her, and then like she would just grab onto the bed, and I'm like, whatever. I just fell back asleep.
See, it's stretchy.
Keep on adding the
You have
cream.
to keep. You can't add more cream. You just have to add like 5/8 of cream.
when it's so gonna be hot.
Don't add too much.
Why?
That's good. Don't add a lot because we will mess up our slime.
This is mine.
So you just keep on mixing and just keep.
I don't care about cream because I like cream.
She loves cream. Like I don't like cream at all. I'm kind of like allergic to cream.
No, you're not.
I'm kind of.
If
Like,
you was allergic, it would break into halves. So you guys, you just keep on mixing.
I'm allergic
It's
to
easy. All you have to do is just get some Play-Doh. This is like a 2-ingredient slime. Play-Doh, it doesn't matter what color. Play-Doh, glitter's optional.
you can get the Play-Doh that's already glittery.
Color's optional.
You can get Play-Doh that's already glittery.
All you need is some baby lotion and
Any
some
brand?
Play-Doh.
Any
If you want your
brand.
Play-Doh to get softer, we picked some blueberries. We had too much. She pooped. She had too much blueberries.
Sure.
No, you pooped.
I you poop.
No,
This
no.
is my banana smoothie. It tastes so good.
No, it does not.
It's because I told her that do not eat nothing sweet before this, and she like ate all her chocolate waffles, which is like sweet, and then she like, ew, it has no flavor.
See, guys, and then you will be
Why is my
able.
cup green? My cup is green.
You will be able to trick your friends about your slime. And so
They'll be like, you don't have no slime. That's just Play-Doh. I'm like, excuse me, I have slime. Prove it.
but it is not stretchy because I did add all this stuff. So then, if you want, you can add perfume to make it smelly. You can add some glitter. This is like the glitter slime.
No. Look at this. This is gonna kill me.
Who?
This is gonna kill me. If she smells this, she's so gonna kill me. Is that like her favorite perfume? Like, what do we call it? Body mist?
Glitter.
No, she's doing it.
If, okay, I'll give you a little pinch.
What's
One
it?
pinch. Like, no. Oh, pour it in there.
What?
We're not supposed to use that much. Remember, this
It's
is
not gonna mix in. You see, it's not gonna be. Look, it's not good.
Look, you can move it around.
not doing fine.
Like she is late on slime. They say this is Play-Doh. Say no, it's edible. Just say it's edible, and then your friends will try to eat it. I added like a tiny bit of glitter, like cause the shine. You see the shiny? Well, you might not be able to see it. Let me pull that way.
But you can kind of see the shiny. Oh my gosh, my
Yeah.
slime. Look, I added just very little, and you can see it's already. Like,
See, I don't have that much. You only gave me a tiny
let
bit.
me see. You have so much, and your slime's like so soft.
No, yeah.
Cause it's soft. I'm gonna get some more. No, not that Play-Doh, funny.
Where's your?
Mine.
I know. I took it off, and now,
Is that your Play-Doh?
yeah, I got it from there. Stop! No, just Asia,
I
stop.
want to feel it. Really need some baby oil.
Baby oil. Oh, we also made some other slimes for it. Like, here's our green slime we
That's
made.
our green jiggly slime.
It's called whatchamacallit, mint slime.
Yeah, it's called mint, because when you like take a mint, we call it jiggly mint.
Look, I added too much cream and now mine's too soft.
Let me see.
Yes, it is. Mine too, look.
Yours is too soft. See, mine's getting sticky
Yes,
too.
it is.
Stop. Because you cannot be playing with it a lot.
Look at mine.
How's it soft?
Because you have to keep on adding like oil, like lotion, like a lot of lotion.
You guys have 5 minutes before you're turning off my phone.
Okay.
Dormir la sala o en tu cama sola.
Alright, there.
Now mix your slime.
Huh?
Are you gonna sleep in the living room?
You wanna sleep in the living room or in my bed?
In your bed.
In our bed.
I don't know. You might sleep in the room.
So we're going to be making a slime. So he has like a very soft slime. It's
Okay.
like really soft. If you was here,
So this is the end of our video. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe.
we will make a part 2. Promise you, we won't add anything except for glitter. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Subscribe to our
channel, the Two Awesome Kids.
Kids.
And bye.
We're awesome
And my brother isn't here today, so we won't be making it with him. So the basic awesome kids is me and my brother. So y'all goodbye. Bye you guys. Everybody on the count. 1, 2, 3. Bye.